Hi guys, I'm CGCraft and I'm gonna ask you one thing. You want to import 3ds files into Blender 2.8? Well, you can't. Blender 2.8 doesn't support this function anymore. Back off the dislike button if you watch this in the future. I know they are planning to add back the 3ds import add-on in later Blender 2.8 releases, but until then, here's a quick tutorial on how to import a 3ds file efficiently. First of all, you need Blender 2.79b for this, as that old Blender version still has the 3ds importer add-on. So let's see. Search in Google, click on this shiny web page, click until you find this beautiful minimalist web page. Of course, you need 2.79b, which is down here. Download the zip version, which doesn't require installation. Select your desired version of Blender 2.79b. For me, it's 64-bit, because I'm not running a 15-year PC with Windows XP, so it should work. And it's there downloading. I'm gonna cancel because I've already downloaded it. Now go into your download folder, search for Blender 2.79b zip file and open it. It contains the Blender folder with the executable inside it. Put it into a folder you love and rename the executable to something else so we will know which Blender we are using. I renamed it to this. Put it in the start menu or the desktop if you want it. Open it. It's opening. It's open. Blender 2.79b is beautiful. Now select everything. Delete the default cube along with its default minions. Blank screen. Come up here. Click on import. 3ds is here. Beautiful. Click on it. Navigate to your folder where you downloaded your 3ds file. Open it. Bam, it's here. Now what you ask? People say that you need to save the blend file, then open it in 2.8, but who has time for this? Ctrl C. Go into Blender 2.8, Ctrl V. But it's here. Import it for you. But if you want to import more files, turn your old Blender 2.79b into an important workspace. Keep deleting everything and repeating the process I showed in the video. Or import multiple files into 2.79 if you don't mind overlapping crowded objects and copy them all at once. All you need to do is click on your taskbar and swap between the two Blender versions in real time. I thought this was pretty clear, but I literally seen very slow workarounds for this, like the one I mentioned where you first save the blend file and reopen it in Blender 2.8. I thought, come on guys, you are overcomplicating it. I'm too lazy for that. If you found this mini tutorial helpful, make sure to like it. If you subscribe, don't forget the bell icon. Click on it for notifications of my newest tutorials and other animations. On CG Trader, you can donate me by buying some stuff. See you guys!